see you.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
Michael's going to see Babe.
Oh, cool. While you're playing the drums?
Babe. Babe.
Very cool.
Man, that is rock and roll.
Yeah, I turned around. We're backwards.
What are you doing to your hair?
I didn't cut around circles.
Oh, cool.
Circle picking?
Hey! He needs a cage, right? He needs a cage. I need a cage right here. A big cage.
For your drum
And
set?
a big draining cage.
You need a big cage for your drum set?
Yeah, I need a big cage in my drum set.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's put one up. There you go. All right, you're in a cage.
Hey, and this is,
Oh, do you mean stage
yeah, tape.
with people in chairs?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
That's a cool drum set you got set up.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
I don't need this
That
one.
one's got a good sound, huh?
And this one.
Hey, leave one for Kira. She's playing too. Woohoo!
Hey, you need to sit like this, right? You need to sit like this, and when it's sack, it's just like a chair.
Oh, okay. I need to sit like I'm an audience.
Yeah, okay?
Oh, okay.
Make sure I got this on the crimson.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make loud and loud and loud.
What a great Christmas present Kira got.
Yeah, a birthday present. Hey,
Whoa, rock and roll.
rock and roll, huh? Hey, wait. I need my real got the tongue on it, right? Because my real got blue and the one that got tongue on it, right?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Your amplifier?
Yeah, my amplifier.
Yeah, well, we got to get your amplifiers out. I'm gonna try to find a way to connect them all together. I think it's possible.
Do you have a candy that have crazy teeth?
Yeah.
You have crazy
Oh, your
teeth?
crazy teeth that we got at the golf place?
Yeah,
They're in the car, I think. I gotta go get them for you.
yeah. You go get them, Michael.
Yeah, I will. You sing me "Baby, Baby" one more time?
No, he did. It's healing, baby, like this. She's a girl.
Yeah, she's a girl.
Yeah, don't hit me. I know the drum.
Woo!
Another drum. I said another drum.
Kira, Michael is not the drum.
Michael's a boy. Boy. No, you a real drum.
So I think about it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Good times, guys.